Hey everyone, this is me, Godhuli Vyas, and today we're going to talk about one very important thing. Hey everyone, this is me, Godhuli Vyas, and today we are going to talk about the very important thing, which is how to find internships. Okay, so this has been in my DMs and everywhere I go, people keep on asking me this, and because I've gone through this, like I have lost the count now around 500,000 internships I've applied for, right? So this is very tiring process, and maybe this way I can help you in getting this less messy. Okay, so I've started with this particular influencer thing and started with making these videos which can really help people who are in their very fresher years or just starting their internship journey, and this is the right time. Okay, so let's start. Number one thing is the platform. So now you would say there are many platforms. Yes, there are, and we have to apply a 360-degree approach. Why? Because we are from tier 3 college. We don't have any direct alumni or any such kind of supports from us. Okay, so what do we do is that we create profile, a personalized one on every platform which is available and which is possible for us. Okay, which is Naukri, which is LinkedIn, remotely, any other hirings remotely, because I was assuming that many of the colleges don't allow their students for any on-site internships in their very first second year, but you can apply, keep applying for remote job, because if you don't do, then you will be stuck. Then comes second, which is networks. This can be through friends, okay, friends who are already placed somewhere, who are already working somewhere. You can just tell them that, hey, buddy, can you help me in getting, in that particular company which you're working at. Second is relatives. Okay, so here L is a problem. Okay, that's not a problem. Yeah, so relatives. Okay, so people who are already working at somewhere, say in a very good company or XYZ company, they can refer you there. Okay, they generally they can if they have good intentions, but you just have to reach out to them in certain way. Next one is any tutor. If you've taken a course from somewhere, if you are learning from somebody, they can definitely help you in that, in their particular company or in their particular networks. Then comes community. So if you're yet deciding on if I should attend an event, if I should not attend an event, just go there, talk to people, make connections, and keep an eye on whatever companies they're working in, whatever their experiences are. Maybe they can give you in that 5 minutes conversation a very good understanding about the industry, and you'll be ahead of 80% of the people. So yeah, communities and people do help, because if they know you, then they will think of referring you. Okay, if they don't know you, they will not refer you. So communities, go to people, talk to them, and show that you are a good person, show that you are developing, you are building something. Okay, you're not lost, or maybe if you're lost, you're still figuring it out, right? Then comes your personal branding. I've seen people saying that, why do you post so much on LinkedIn, this, that, but I do have facts stating that yes, if you post on LinkedIn, if you put yourself out, if you post yourself on Medium or anywhere platform, okay, and we are in 2026, everyone is available everywhere. So the HRs really reach out to you. Yes, they do. If they see your profile aligning with what they are looking for, they message you, they see you. What they want to see is that your intention towards things. That if you are really interested into this role, right, and that if you are building around something, if you have a job title in your mind, just speak about that particular title, and based on the algorithm, the HRs will reach out to you. So these are some of the many ways you can implement in getting an internship in 2026. I'm coming up with more videos, like definitely by tomorrow, speaking about what actually you should do to get the internship, how should you aim it, and a lot many things. So this is my very first try towards recording something and doing such things. So thank you so much for watching, and keep supporting. Thank you.